Okay, yeah. Hello, welcome back to my channel. And last time you couldn't see my input. I'm so sorry for that. But this time I will try to show you the input. And in in this video I will tell you how to use numbers in the input also. So first we will take our input, but before that we will do num1 is equals to input because we are taking it into a value, and say enter number 1, and then we will end this, and then we will take another num2 is equal to input, and we will write enter number 2. So we will end this over here again, and after that we will take a print, and what we will do, we will write the sum, or like we can take the sum or multiplication or like anything else like division, like the sum of your numbers are is, then we will end this and write num1 plus num2. And over here we can also do multiplication, division, and like the other two also, multiplication, division, minus, sum, multiple. Okay, let's test this, how will it work. And yeah, as you can see, I have entered number 1 as 2, and then second number as 5. It is giving me 25. Now why is that so? It should be 7, not 25. It is because in input I have written this as a string, not as a number. So it is plusing 2 and 5, not as numbers, as a letter. So it is giving me 25, not 7. So for that I will use eval, which says that, which is telling this input that this is a number, and which will create this into a number. Eval as number. And now if I run it, it will give me 7. Yes, sweet. And I can change this also if I want. I can do it as multiplication, uh, then division, and anything else if I want to do it. And also the like this is happening because like first we have num1, num2, which are both values. For this, values are variable, you can say, and then eval is basically saying to input that this is a number and converting that string, or you can say word, into a number, and input is for input, and then they are printing the number, printing the sum or multiplication or whatever it is over there. And yeah, so that was it for this video, and I think so in this video you could see that the input of it. And thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you, goodbye, have a nice day.